What's good, Prodigy Gang? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Garden of BanBan. It's game based on Poppy Playtime. Yeah, so I heard it's really good. So part 2 came out, you see in the bottom corner. So if you guys do like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll play part 2 in the next episode. So let's get started. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Yo. No. Yo, that was creepy. Oh, shit. Huh? Hold WASD for movement. Alright. Let me put the brightness up. Brightness. There you go. Hold shift to sprint. Alright. It's pretty dark in here. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruit to become stronger like me. Bro, I can't even see you. I don't even know you're buff or not. Bro, it's super dark. Can't go in there. What do we do? Key card. Collected that. Maybe I can open this now. Alright. A drone. Alright, we got a drone. The room requires 2 batteries. 2 batteries, huh? Yo, it's too dark in here for me. I can't see nothing. Damn. Stingerfly says having many arms allows me to help a lot of people. Okay, no one asked. But where can we find these batteries? Do we have a flashlight? Anything? No. There you are. Alright, I found them. They're on the table. They're no. You couldn't see them. Oh, I thought that was open. Oh, what the hell? Are we flying the drone? What up? Oh. Alright. Press right button to teleport forward to the nearest room. Control can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. We got just one more here. What the hell? All right.
Who the fuck is that guy?
Yo, what's up? Got problems with me? Yeah, that's what I thought. This ends here. Can we go in there? Hey, there he is. What do we do? What up? Pause. Pause. Hold up. What do we do? Where's my drone? Upland bird is unbelievable hungry. Feed it 6 eggs Alright. Oh, we gotta look for eggs. Alright. 2. Oh, I don't like how it's so silent. Hold up. Damn, they hiding these eggs. Good. Pretty good, actually. Is it only in the park, or... That's 3? They got me looking for eggs like I'm the Easter Bunny or something. Alright. That's 4. Ooh. 5. Bro, pick it up. There you go. 5. Where is the last one? It's gotta be in the corner somewhere, right? I already checked that playground. The only place I haven't checked are the swings. Can't be on a swing, right? Yo, I do not want to get close to that thing. No way. Hell no, I'm not going close to that thing. That thing even moves, I'm turning into fried chicken. There is no way that thing's getting close to me. Bro, where is this last one? Can I even crouch? Is it in the slide somewhere? Is it underneath here? Where is the last egg? Huh? The hell? What is that? Ooh, I did not realize that. Come on. Take that! There you go. The last egg. Ooh. That's 6. Ooh, I do not want to get close to that thing. Three. 4. 5. Ooh. 6. In his mouth. We got a key card. Bro, if that thing's moved, I swear I'm quitting this game. I'm looking at it, bro. I do not. Wait, what do we do here? There you go. Can't get up there. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't know we can break the glass. Bro, I'm staring at that bird and that bird moves. Even an inch, I'm quitting this game. What do we open? What was that lag? Bro, this lag is crazy. Alright. Got a hammer. I did not mean to do that. I know what this hammer's for. Don't move. Don't you move. Oh, it's pretty dark in here, bro. Emergency stop. Bro, how do you expect me to? It's super dark. I can't see nothing. I don't know how we're supposed to do this if I can't even see. We just die like that? Yes. Press E to reincarnate. Alright. Please don't tell me we have to do that all over again. Oh, there you are. There you go. I found out. I figured it out. So we got a chair. Alright. What else? Oh shit. Ooh. Alright, we going. Don't draw me. Ooh, I don't like that. Bro, please. Don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me, bro. There you go. What was my color? You were green? Oh shit. Gotta do it all over again. Okay. You were green. You were white? I think that's white. You were blue. Oh, red, I mean. Bro, I don't like how it's quiet. Come on, bro. You were red? Is there white? I think. You were pink. Blue. And then you were orange. I think that's the colors. Right? There you go. Yo! Yo, no, no, no. Yo, no, 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 no. No, please no. Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no.
Oh, hell no!
No! Oh! Fuck no, go! Go! Go. No! Fuck! Okay. So the platform comes in. I can barely see anything, that's why. As soon as it turns red. So now. I'm going right now. There. Fuck! I messed up again. What? Bro, I can't see anything! Bullshit! Ooh, let's go! Let's go! Ooh. Chickens can't fly, right? I bet. We out of here. We out of here. We out, we out, we out. No, we got an orange key card, right? So we go over here. Alright, so here. Oh, hold up. Ha. There you go. What did that do? Oh, I didn't even notice. See how dark it is? Oh, let me just, yeah. What did that do? Whoa. A secret ladder? Oh, do we go? Or no, it doesn't let us. Bro, I feel like something. I don't like this hallway, bro. I don't like that hallway. Alright. This doesn't even look safe. Do I trust it? Yeah, I trust it, whatever. Better being here. Wait. Why am I going down though? Isn't that where that bird is?
Hold on. Wait. Hey.
Oh, shut up, drone. Yo, bro. Why am I going down here? Why couldn't I just leave? Ooh. See, bro, you got yourself into this. Dad? Whoa. Fuck. Bro. Fuck. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck is that? Yo, chill. Thanks for playing. Wishlist the sequel here. Guardians of BanBan 2. See, I can't even speak right now. That's how flabbergasted I am.
What did he say?
You know how long that took me to the bridge part? Because it was so dark? They gotta fix that or something. Or maybe it's just my laptop that's bugging out. I don't even know when I'm playing the part 2, bro. I gotta get like a whole PC for this. So that was Guardians of BanBan. It was actually a pretty good game. I did get a really poppy playtime feel from it. I see why people say this was good, but I think my laptop just couldn't handle it. That's why it was so dark. I did have a little issues with this, but this is the beta version, like the Guardian BanBan. But part 2 did just come out, so if you guys do want me to play that, but I don't think I am gonna play it because my laptop, I don't think it can handle it, and it was pretty bad for like just this game. And I heard the BanBan 2 is like a full game. So even though if you guys do want me to play it, hit that like button, subscribe, and again, that was Guardians of BanBan. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next video.